Some days, you wake up and everything feels heavy. The world looks gray. The things that used to make you smile now feel like distant memories. You look in the mirror and you barely recognize who you are. You wonder, how did I get here? And maybe the scariest part, you don't even have the energy to care. But listen, it's okay to feel like this. You're not weak, you're human. And even in your quiet pain, something powerful is happening inside you.
The truth is, growth never feels like growth when you're in it. It feels like loss. It feels like breaking. It feels like you're falling apart. But maybe you're not falling apart. Maybe you're falling into place. Every time your heart breaks, it's teaching you compassion. Every time you fail, it's teaching you humility. Every time you lose something, it's making space for something new. Pain isn't your enemy, it's your greatest teacher. And most of the time, it's the only one that gets your attention.
You see, everyone loves the idea of transformation, but no one talks about how painful it actually is. No one tells you that growth means saying goodbye to people, to comfort, to the version of yourself that can't go where you're headed. Some nights, you'll cry quietly so no one hears. Some mornings, you'll wake up and wish you could go back. But you can't. Because life isn't meant to be repeated. It's meant to be rebuilt. And you're rebuilding yourself right now, even if you don't see it yet.
The world will try to tell you that you need to be strong all the time, that vulnerability is weakness. But the truth? Vulnerability is strength. It takes courage to admit you're not okay. It takes power to face your demons, not run from them. And it takes heart to keep showing up every single day, even when no one's watching, even when you don't feel ready, even when you're tired of being the strong one.
One day, you'll look back at this chapter, the tears, the silence, the loneliness, and you'll realize it wasn't the end. It was the beginning. The storm didn't destroy you, it cleaned you. It stripped away what wasn't real and left you with something unbreakable. You.
So if today feels heavy, if your heart feels tired, remember this. You are not behind. You are not broken. You are becoming. Every small step you take, every breath you choose to keep going, is proof that you're still fighting. And that's what makes you unstoppable.
If this message inspired you today, hit that subscribe button and join our community of dreamers and doers. Remember, your journey starts with one small action. So take that step right now. Subscribe, stay motivated, and let's grow together.